Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to change your password on your Twitch account. To change your Twitch account's password, first of all, open up the Twitch application on your device and then tap on Profile at the bottom right corner. Once you end up in your profile section, tap on the gear button at the top left, and this will open up Settings. Inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. Under Security and Privacy, tap on Password. In the first text box where it says Current Password, enter your current password for Twitch. Go to the next field and type down a new password for your account you would like to change to. Confirm the new password by re-entering it again, and finally click on Done at the top right corner. And this will help you change your password on Twitch. So that's how you easily change your Twitch account's password. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.